In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put buttons to top of a site and card. We'll walk through creating a simple header area and placing a row of buttons at the very top of your page, all inside Card's editor. Start by heading to card.co in your browser. From the home page, click Open Dashboard and select the site you want to edit. This takes you into the builder where we'll add the elements we need. First, create the area that will hold your buttons. Click Add and choose Container. This container will act as your top bar. Drag the container to the very top of your page so it sits above your other content. Think of it like your header strip. With the container selected, open its settings and find the type dropdown. Switch it from the default to columns. Columns let you split the container into side-by-side sections, which is perfect for laying out multiple buttons in a neat row. Next, add columns until you have 3 sections across. You can add more if your design requires it, but 3 is a good starting point for common links like home, about, and contact. Keep an eye on spacing and alignment here. Equal widths usually look clean, and you can adjust padding later if you want more breathing room. Now let's add the buttons themselves. Click Add and choose Buttons to insert your first button. Repeat that add, then Buttons action 2 more times so you have 3 buttons in total. Place a button into each column so they line up horizontally across the top. If an element lands in the wrong spot, simply drag it into the correct column inside the container. At this stage, you should see 3 buttons at the top of your page. You can now configure each button's label and behavior. Rename them to match your needs, and set what each one does, whether that's linking to a section on the same page, jumping to another page, or opening an external URL. Short, clear labels work best, and keeping the style consistent across all 3 will help your header look professional. If you prefer icons or a compact look, adjust the button style in the settings to match your brand. When everything looks good and functions the way you want, click Done to finish up in the editor. That's it, your buttons are now neatly arranged at the top of your card site, ready to guide visitors exactly where you want them to go.